Today we're performing the fifth task in Cognifyz Power BI Internship. Task is reason of investment, and the objective of this task is analyze and visualize the reason for investment. There are two steps involved in this task, like trend analysis, identify common trends in reasons for investment, like better return and tax benefit, and second step is visualization. Create charts showing the most frequently cited reasons for investment. We are using three columns in this task, like invest, monitor, duration, and reason mutual, and we represent our data in the form of visuals, in the form of visual chart, visual cards, and filters. So let's start our task. Firstly, I'm importing my data using get data and then text and CSV file, and then I'm select the file where I save it. And then I'm loading my dataset. Now I'm making the background of the canvas into light gray and then setting it transparency into 50 as I used in my previous task. Now I'm setting the title of our dashboard in task 5 by setting its font size into 36 and making it underlined and centered. Now I'm using column chart for reason mutual, and duration column. I'm setting duration into x-axis and reason mutual into y-axis. I'm just pasting my first chart and then replacing duration with invest monitor. Now I am using a filter of invest monitor, and I'm using it into tile instead of vertical list for better representation. And I'm just making little bit modification for better displacement. Now if you can see, if you click on one of the reason mutual elements like better return, fund diversification, tax benefits, then overall the data can be displayed according to this one element. Now I'm creating a new measure to see the better returns in the reason mutual column, like how many times the better returns appear in reason mutual column. I'm using count row and then filter function and then my data set and then my column name. Reason mutual, and then I'm putting is equal to better returns by displaying into double quotes. I'm using the same here for fund diversification and tax benefit. I'm just replacing the name of fund diversification with better returns. And now I'm creating here for tax benefits. If you wanted to rewrite the whole measure, you can do it, but if you wanted to just replace the column name, then you can use this measure one time and then just copy paste the whole measure by just replacing the name of the other element that you wanted to use. As I just write this measure for better returns and then I replace it with fund diversification and tax benefits. Now I represent my data in the form of visual cards, as you can see. We use 3 visual cards for better returns, fund diversification, and tax benefit. I'm just making a little bit modification for better displacement. Now I'm selecting my measures which I have to display. I'm using better returns and then fund diversification and then tax benefits. And now I'm just make little bit modification into name of the columns of the 2 visuals. I'm removing this count off and just left the reason mutual. And now I'm opening the data labels for both the visuals. And removing y-axis because we use a data label, so we did not need to use y-axis digits. Now if you click on fund diversification, the other 2 tax benefit and better return become blank and our whole visuals represent according to fund diversification. Same thing is for tax benefit. The other 2 visual card of fund diversification better return become blank and our data set represents the form of visuals. Same is for the better returns. Now I'm just changing the page name of page 1 into reason of investment, which is the title of our dashboard. Now I am changing the color of my dashboard. You can change it according to your requirement or whatever the color that better represents your dashboard. I generally prefer the dark dashboard with the light background. If you wanted to change it with some other color, you can do that. And then if you wanted to make more customization into dashboard, you can go into format tab and you can see the effect and also the effect of chart and also the border line of the chart and so much other things. This is all in our task 5 of Cognifyz Power BI internship, in which you have to perform a analysis on the basis of investment. And in this dashboard, this task, we perform reason mutual. We see the analysis of a reason mutual by direction or by investment by invest monitor, by using different kind of visual charts, and by using a filter. Thank you.